In today's world, crises are a constant reality. From financial downturns to health emergencies and climate change, we live in a state of perpetual crisis. These crises are not isolated events, but interconnected challenges that shape our global society, affecting every aspect of our lives. Crucially, crisis management and solutions are gendered, significantly impacting women's equality and empowerment. This affects not just women, but society as a whole. Work Package 6 aims to explore and assess the challenges and opportunities for women's empowerment during crises. By examining finance, health, and climate crises, it seeks to transform hegemonic power structures and discourse. Deliverable 6.1 will create a template to assess the gendered impacts of various crises, providing a framework for future research. Deliverable 6.2 involves 3 mapping reports on the gendered impacts of health, financial, and climate crises, ensuring relevance and comparability. Deliverable 6.3 will report on the gendered impacts of crises on decent work, addressing issues like digitalization and remote work. Finally, Deliverables 6.4 and 6.5 will provide policy recommendations for gender-sensitive crisis pathways and decent work in times of crisis.